Hey everybody, it's October 22nd. Going to show a couple of trades from today. What you're looking at here was a little scalp on crude oil. Started seeing some momentum picking up here. Again, wasn't going for a big target since we had already been in this nice little trend for a while. But again, right around, you can see it was 9:34 just into the opening of the equity session is when we'll often see a small little push in crude oil. So got my 10 ticks there, and that was a good way to start out my Monday. Alright, my second trade was around 9:37, and this is NQ. We had originally started up, broke this swing here, moved down, made two pushes, pulled back up, M formation, second wave trade, started moving down. I saw on the 2-minute chart not a lot of room before we hit this area here, and so wasn't going for a real big target, but ended up pretty good, almost 36 ticks or so. So that was pretty good. Now what happened next, in the next couple of minutes, I lost power. So wasn't able to trade again for a while. And when I did start trading again, I wasn't using my screen recording. So what I'm going to do is scroll through this trade I made manually. So a little after 10, we had been moving down quite a bit and hit a little bit of support. Plus, I think some earnings came out, something happened, NQ started showing a little momentum to the upside. We got this little pop here. Then we got into the little small box that I look for. And I'm just scrolling through this manually. This is where I entered, right at the break of this top. And when I was looking on my chart, there wasn't a lot of significant resistance in the way. So I set a pretty big target in mind before I even went into the trade, and took a little bigger winner than I usually get. You can see this was really popping. Came up, pulled back to this little area here. So it broke out of that. I was looking to see what price would do when we came up to some of these swing areas. And you can see it just really was taking off. And I actually was still in this trade. I was trying to see, would we get through this little area? If this started going like this, I was definitely going to close out the trade. So I kind of hung in there, and it makes that second push and just really taking off. And there it hit another area I had mapped out, and I closed it out. It was about a 62 tick trade, which is one of the bigger winners I've had lately, and started pulling back after it hit that. So that was Monday. I'm happy. Some Mondays I don't do too well, and then I'm playing catch up the rest of the week, but this one went pretty well. I'm not going to be making these every day, but definitely will be doing some videos throughout the week. That's it.